Hi everyone. I guess we're doing great and we're also staying safe. My name is Adora Baltunla. I'm the lead Google Business Group Abuja. I was actually informed by Precious, that we would like to verify our businesses. So I just want to do this short video to guide us on the process. In a way, verifying your business means how to make your business name visible on Google search and maps. So the first thing you do, you could do this both on your mobile phone and on your computer. It works. So step one is you launch a browser. You launch, yes, a browser. It could be Internet Explorer. Then you type business .google.com. So this is the address. So you type it into the URL bar here. So we do business.google.com. So once you hit this, it takes you to a page that looks like this, basically. So what you do is you go to sign in. Then the first thing you do is it says find and manage your business. So type your business name. So since this is a demo, but I'll just put a sample business name. So let's say I want to verify or let's say notify stores, for example. Notify stores. So let's say this is my business name. As I click on it, it takes me to the next page. So it says, what's the name? Okay, my name of my business, yes. I've typed it, notify stores, yeah, business name. I'll click next, So yes, it says choose the category that fits your business best. So the category for this business, it's an e-commerce store. So I could just put e-commerce, so e-commerce service. So you can actually look for what fits yours. There are different categories for different kind of business. Just choose the one that is closest, to what you're trying to do. Like for example, if it could be for education, it could be a school. You could type education. So it has lots of things. You could be a consultant. So just type something close. I'm sure you're going to find the category that fits you best. So for this, I'm going to put e-commerce, yes, e-commerce service. So I'm going to say next. So it says, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Yes, this is what we're trying to do. So put next. Yes. So says what's the address? Nigeria address. So I could just put things like number 14. Yes. Marshall Street. Yes. Area 8. Naraki, Abuja. So local government area, I could put is it AMAC, Abuja Municipal Area Council. You could put the one that suits you to. The city, I could put city of Abuja. Then postal code. Okay. So since I don't know postal code, so I could just say I could go to Google. I could say area 8 postal code or Gariki postal code. Okay, area 8 Gariki. Yeah, postal code. So you could always ask Google for anything. Yeah, Google is your friend. So yes, it's saying Ogumasho Street. So yeah, I'll just copy this. Very easy way. Then go here and I'll put it down. So you can find the one that suits you too. Then also for states, so I'm going to go to FCT. Yeah, Federal Capital Territory. So I'm done and I go next. So yes, it says now, do you also serve customers outside this location? Yes, we can also say yes. I also serve customers. Yeah, we'll serve them outside this location. Move next. So yeah, they are now saying add the areas you serve. In this case, I would just see, you could see here that it says optional, right? So just skip this for now, so you don't have to put anything here. You can skip it. So go next. Okay, so in this case, I say, okay, what contact details, do you want to show to customers? So I want to show them my phone number, 080-5285-1874, website, yeah, I do notify stores. I don't know the site is down now. Yes, notify stores. Then if you don't have a website, I don't need a website, you check this one. Then get a a free website based on your info, so you could see details if you want to use the free website tool, which is really good thing. So if you feel this, also you just go to next. Yes. So it says stay in the know. Want updates and recommendations for your business on Google? Of course, yes. You could at least see, Google will always tell you nice things, and also I'll prefer you to check it also. So it says next thing is you click on finish. So this is actually more like the basic step-by-step way of you placing your business on search and maps. But of course, this is now the catch here. It says choose a way to verify while we are here. Now for verification, well, we used to have what is called a trusted verifier program, and Google stopped it sometime last year. But there's a way which we're still waiting for them in a way. But this procedure we actually put your business online, and there's actually a way we've been trying. Maybe it might work for some of us who might try it. If it doesn't, then I'll wait for Google to give us access. But perhaps this is one of the ways we've been verifying right now. So it says we could just say postcard. Yes, this is the address. Then we could just say verify later, just say verify later, basically. So exactly. So just click, let's get started. Yeah, everything looks fine. So in a couple of days, like 1-2 days, you could just go on search. Let's say Google search and type the name of your business. Like say notify stores, for example. So once you type it in, ideally, based on what we just did here, Google has actually placed it on map, but it's not verified. But Google will still show that your business is showing up, right? But for now, it's not showing up because I just did it now. So I will check back in like a day or two just to see that yes, it shows up there. So alternatively, to verify, we can just click on this. Ideally, it's something we should be able to do real time as trusted verifiers, but of course, Google actually has stopped the first program and they're working on the second one. So until then, this is a good way for you to put your businesses online. Then also, alternatively, after like 2 days, just try this, right? Once you search for your business name, ideally it should show up here on like maps, right? So let me give you a small insight. Let me say if I search for something like durian, let's say durian Technologies or Durian Nigeria. Let me see if it's right. So okay, something I don't know this company anyway. So you could see something here. You could see here we have own this business, right? No, I don't know this business. I don't know it. I'm just using it as an illustration. So when your business shows up on Google, you're going to see something like this based on the process we just completed. So you will now come on search after like 2 days. Once you search and this shows up, So what you now need to do is click on this, own this business. I don't own it, so I don't want to click on it. I don't want to do something, So once you click on this business, and you could see that it will show your phone number that you did put, So along the way, Google will send you a code, for you to own this business. And by you typing in that code based on that instruction, most times based on people that have tried after the verification, it works for them. So your business will just be automatically verified. If it doesn't work for you, since we have this WhatsApp group, right? We can still chat. Then I'll look for an alternative to make sure that all the businesses are verified. So this is the short video. Then I'll welcome your questions, in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, and I hope basically this was actually informative for us. Thank you.